employment, people begin to look for accommodation. Investors will go in there to build apartment houses, or building apartment, plumber, mason, carpenter, arch welders, painters. This is how we grow the region or develop the region.
Yes, na Santana was up for Sanamunka. And they were more and a nasa euforiata. Ana a conje or my gun and why you hun in the nino.
What dam? Can't you catch us about dam? It's about dam.
I know Naira Kennedy, one who said there are businesses that we can have other businesses to what bring up employment. My country must say ye pro be a obetimi Ghana do next level now. Honorable Kennedy Japan. You also need me. And now ye can say near Bodo Kobi say dollar ye and ne say ni artificial. Maka. And ne na dollar asati in can say. Hello, I Xposed GA. The name is Ben Pro. Subscribe, share. Me to man I won't say enya akebi. Honorable Kennedy Japan is in the news again. The incoming president of Ghana. Mupo Onwa. Yera Kennedy Japan. When you listen to him wisely, we won't say ideas no one is beyond Ghana. And now I can't say me to the ordinary eye or the year no. Ordinary speech, but you put him and I'm in Chronia Norca, Ebian Wantias.
But so you move Minister of Energy, Echo, PA, one business, NPP, you stay in Takrari, Obeda Hotel, Obediti, Obadonsa, Obeto, Momo, Obeyewe. That's how you begin to grow the economy. We are okay business or energy commission who do say. Ministry of Energy. Now, if all these agencies move to Western region, employment, people begin to look for accommodation. Investors will go in there to build apartment houses, or building apartment, plumber, mason, carpenter, arch welders, painters. This is how we grow the region or develop the region. Makora, and who said, Volcan region, they have a lot of tourist sites in developed world. I'll move Minister of Tourism to Volcan region. I will move Minister of Trade to Eastern region. I will move Lands and Forestry and Western Housing to Ashanti region. I'll move Minister of Agri to the Northern region. Because all things that go and what we can do. Everyone, tell the people from the north, only say, what can know during the day, and we have a boss in Parana, what can know a year, what am I going to every day. Yeah. Now, what the every day, what the sugar, what the chip, what the generating power, value chain. This is how we're going to develop this country. And that if you give me opportunity to develop.
Mami can be being sure business within business. Africa, yenti NDC say. After looking at the core business, the other businesses we discard it. To say Ejuma Mili, spreading information. But what other things are there? And then information I'm spreading doesn't benefit Ghana in any way. What did I say? Beyond that, you see a platform to advertise the brand. And now say the personality, you bet me advertise. That's the other businesses. Apart from the core mandate is what I'm doing. But there are other businesses. Ghana, of course, because we have Yajaja's had Unya bibi say palm tree. Abe abeno aben kwan ni wom aben kwan ni fi mu wi a ye de mafe ni ye bibi ya friend say shells and the candle no ye de ya kwan ukokro bi a am de ya kwan ai abena kase mu no ye nya de bi wo ma nya easy nya be pop easy ye nya safu ina ye senda de bi pa eno de eno ni apio enti abeba ko no the community ni aben kwan ba niema na wo ho no spiritual side class so de oba no asasem no eno na Ghana we can do. And no Yera Kennedy. One who said there are businesses that we can have other businesses to what bring up employment. My catcher must say ye pro be a obetimi Ghana do next level now. And ye honorable Kennedy Japan. Because ni be. And now ye can say near Bodo come be said dollar ye and ne say ni artificial. Maka. And then na dollar asati in can say ekwe. Because only maybe there are things that need to be done that we are not doing as a nation. It's all political talk, fallacy. Assembly or how you can't call political talk, by your back action now we are not doing it. And now you can say, God, I'm saying we are still destroying our forests like there is no tomorrow because of politics. The things that we spoke about yesterday, they are happening today again. And the year of John Muhammad, we thought Ghana has had a savior. We are not seeing anything. The CJ, the Chief Justice has been removed. An arm of government, removed by another arm of government. And what to be there? These are the things which are making Ghana not progressive. And now we pay BBI, this is all the BBI to war. Ghana, corruption, highest. You are quite here, say, for BBI, he corruption. And now, I say Ghana, we are still marking time. That is why we need honorable Kennedy Japan. Now, some of the Kennedy kind, if you are in CSC, you go to the
Honorable Safma NNA NPP Eastern Region for Ekushia Gapi Fee Ewokophobia. Enna all children roar a chain for a play ama NPP. The Ahomono Enna creative impression say a chain for abo modern a chain asante for our NPP party. Enna inipano record here. And what they call NDC radio station, Accra FM. And the way a 10 baby. And the plan and team to be true, I don't FM home. Maybe I can't not this up, I'm not saying na full take on anything. And we man of Boma meeting. A whole asthma problem between a Chimphone and Santifor. We call program also. Because 8 minutes on that particular issue. 8 minutes. And Casa. And so, if I enforce it, will be our own powers. Will see our side. No, actually, only 30 seconds. And Yansa some arm catching a party for. Sir, I didn't know, sir, party for Shia, now one Sassy. Now I've been banging and about 1 party for Shia, what a cordons one NDC radio station, and I'll come out. Never before, yeah, Jimmy. And now the castle says, what do you move as some of this? What do you see here? What do you see here? It took the wisdom of President Kufuor to go and apologize over Pacho. If he said, and also move a video in your heart, or he may be a friend and a number. When you have said, Jesus, for my for
yes, in Santana was up for Sanamun Kaho, and they were more and a nasa furiata, and a conje, a yet or my gun and why you hunun in the no.
What dumb, can't you about dumb?
Ah.
me so abodam na kwa me kuma nkaza me bushaw wo sunu na na jiye odo ni na kwa me kuma wanya dai kwa me kurba no wanya dai ade ne nkaza ni ana mfusa Ghana ya wasiba papa bi na sanke baba ni ya wonkai papa kian kai akwadi ono ko ba bu baba akwadi na de kwa mu baba sa timfo na din kaya sene kai wo bi kan ho ke tempo yan kai semu kan ho asante kan ho ayi kan ho power defense jinka fantifo ni ko na di yemwa
baso woka wose say ye ka wo my Ghana no ne papa mu a Ghana ni de Ghana ye Eastern region e se bibia ye bia ne Eastern fo ana ye do mo ye ansana
ana make sure say region no to party be no ti or ko NPP no aye achimfo da tie
enya achimfo na tie party NPP on
NPP no mo dia o mo nim ho hwele
power the fam na eyeden na bedru ba bia wo mo ne control yi a tumi ni nyina kodi wo mo na
that's right tie dia ma bitasa achim ho ba ko anti party what say achim from what the party do
UNC na wo Kenya na
UNC ko he
dia pa wolite ye no
me say do he UNC do he ya to aba bitasa achim from ko ya to aba say no party ninya NPP no am to aba watching say no minya nipa ninka ye nipa didi ya na na fura ka tinju na aduna abo
video which I say bibia ye rakene de ben no enchirase wo ho na sekirase wo ho. There are times how people don't really understand what you're doing, but you understand yourself. If we say the people who make it in life, you know, they are those people who or ye bibia on care about what you say. Is it going to benefit me? That's all that matters. Yeah, you will be your best selfish kakra sabi or better take Ghana from this baby try to say a woman your forces say baby we are still marking time because the things that we need to do to progress as a nation we are not doing it. And nothing America actual if me Ben Bruce we Ghana ni once you Ghana ni dia na delegates dia me delegates we delegates dia uko to abana ko to ma papa no oye mass person dia ye wu. And then I say, "Grandma, Matia, some yoka was a sabi. Yetuma, friends, Kennedy, Japan, on to many IMF, quite good deal. IMF, and then on me, or a yellow no mama. Next, I would your wife, so some baby ma, low, Babaji. You see, the difference between Yera Kennedy and Baumia. Baumia is taking straight jacket person. Yanko Boro Yendi, Yeriani, Ninia, the Yama Akotia. Kennedy is thinking outside the box. What can we do to expand what we have locally? Tinipa we ho. Now you are fun say obia otwitwa interso tunton na funu ebode. Na ko tuma ba omia. Na wanyunya sa wan to amaka na didia. Na wo unchirima nya me domemo. Ah me domemo because anya na akwawie ni asio. NPP ejije nyina ye ba ko na yan koto amaka din no ye koto maka na dia kenya se ye bre nti me ka cho delegate enjimi tuaba no ema obi obetimi a unify way se kwa no for no se mutuma ba o me abiem a mo be sanwe because omo no won to kwa one person me kwa na se kwa mate se yes ye ra kan se na chikra ya igbeni o. It's water region crana yes tado ono ye benya bi wo NPP mamu Jimmy mo Jimmy ebedi mo e pelfona mo party mo sorry sa ade na kwakwa ne de mu nyai mo nya mo am lie ba me de I stand by Kennedy obi ani se na mtie Kennedy all the way high exposure Chief February subscribe to me to my now like man